शॉपिंग के इसमें भी मतलब जो बड़े बड़े मॉल अभी डीमार्ट जैसा है, तो फिर उधर भी ज्यादा अगर लोग होंगे डीमार्ट के अंदर तो फिर वो रुका लेते हैं, मतलब बाहर ही रुका लेते हैं।
Yes, so
मतलब
they are not
पहले
allowed
के सब
people.
yes,
Yes. Okay.
And,
Any
and
other?
ma'am, so many IT companies, in so many IT companies, employees are doing work from home.
Right. Have you seen anybody in your relative who is doing work from home? Anybody
Yes,
of?
so it's my brother.
Yes. So
But
he is doing work from home, right? What else has changed because of COVID situation? How the companies have reacted? Have you seen many of the companies have developed their apps, mobile apps, which was not earlier the case? Is it true? Many of the companies have developed their mobile applications. Is it true? Anybody who is using a mobile application to get a good delivered to his home or a service to his home? Yes, Sahil. Can you help with this? Yes. Shashank, Anviksha.
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Is there any company or is there any recent app which are using to get the things ordered because of the COVID situation?
Every single website and this apps are now ready to deliver. Like Swiggy have already delivered 1 crore orders, I guess, after the COVID situation has been solved.
Okay. Have you seen the change in the way McDonald's and Domino's are marketing them after the COVID situation?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the change?
Like they are actually telling the other people and the customers, because they are taking the 100% precautions. Even the person who is actually bringing up the orders, they are like tested, their temperature, they are having they are wearing the gloves and the mask, and they are bringing the orders in a very precautionate way.
And what is the reason why they are doing this? So, any idea?
Ma'am, basically it is like contactless delivery.
Yes. So how would this impact the consumers? इसका consumers पे क्या असर होगा?
मैम कंज्यूमर्स पे वही कि एक एक तो मैम सेफ्टी मेजर्स वो लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं अभी कोविड सिचुएशन में, मतलब जो हमें सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना होता है। अभी हम लोग को घर बैठे हमें डिलीवरी मिल रहा है, लेकिन उसमें भी और एक अच्छा हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है कि कॉन्टैक्टलेस डिलीवरी, यू जस्ट नीड टू पे ऑनलाइन बाय कार्ड और एनी यूपीआई ट्रांजैक्शंस यू कैन डू, एंड देन बिना कुछ वो कांटेक्ट के आपको वो कर देंगे।
Exactly.
तो आपका चांसेस भी नहीं है, मतलब
So
वायरस
can you, Shashank, can you see this particular 3 points? Technology in the form of an application, the economy is down, and the consumer behavior has changed. Everybody is in a fearful state. Nobody wants to
yes
get in
ma'am,
contact with anybody. So this is
yes
a
ma'am,
perfect example of Domino's. This is a perfect example of McDonald's, or you can say Swiggy and Zomato, wherein they were already having a technology, but then see how they have responded very quickly, that the technology has become much efficient in times of COVID. They have also made contactless payment. Because of the economy is getting down, the they have responded even with more restaurants coming to them. So the customers also gets a chance to select a option that is suiting to his pocket, and the consumer behavior has also changed because we are no more interested, and we are actually fearful that somebody should not come in our vicinity and we don't get contracted by the COVID disease. So it is very important, जब आप ये subject पढ़ रहे हो, can you see the application of the subject? It is not a subject just to read and pass your exams. अगर आप commerce के students हो तो you need to understand that this particular subject of business and professional skills is very much practical in nature, which talks about the real scenarios, real topics, and it is very much we can very much relate to our real lives. It is not a bookish subject. Agree everyone? And it is not outdated also. Lakshmi, Roshan, agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other example you would like to give? Any स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग कैसे करते, समझ में आया? ज्योति?
यस मैम।
हाँ समझे मैम।
ओके, किसी को कुछ डाउट है? सुकराम, संपदा, कोई डाउट है किसी को? वैभव?
No,
डाउट? ओके, shall we move ahead then? Yeah. So,
yes ma'am.
So here the benefits of strategic thinking in leadership. तो हम लोग यहाँ लीडरशिप की तो बात कर रहे हैं बिकॉज जब भी कंपनी में कोई डिसीजन लिया जाता है इट इज नॉट टेकन बाय द मिडिल लेवल एम्प्लॉइज. एक आपने ट्रायंगल देखा होगा कई बार जहां पे एक देयर आर 3 लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. वन इज द टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट, मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट एंड द लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट. तो मैनेजमेंट के 3 लेवल्स होते हैं. So normally we can see that the decisions are not made by the lower level management. It is always made by the top level people. I'll show you here, one second. I'll share the screen. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. Can you see this diagram? Management levels, general manager, senior manager, manager, supervisor, project manager. So the way they are sitting on the ladder, it means this person on the top has got more responsibility, authority to make the decisions, right? But this is not the case with this person, supervisor. He will follow what she says, she will follow what the top manager has said. But then this person at the lower level cannot make much decisions. Similarly, what I meant to say here is the benefits of strategic thinking in leadership. So they need to have an open-minded approach. They need to think openly. ऐसे है कोविड की सिचुएशन जिन्होंने सोचना बंद कर दिया, who are not able to think in an open-minded approach, their businesses has suffered very badly. आपने देखा होगा आपके विसिनिटी में कि काफी होटल्स खुले ही नहीं है कोविड के टाइम से. दे आर नॉट एबल टू रिस्पॉन्ड. सो देयर स्टाफ हैज गॉन अवे, देयर कुक्स हैज गॉन अवे. एट द सेम टाइम फ्लाइट्स, व्हेन द फ्लाइट्स वर नॉट वर्किंग, पीपल हैड अ मैसिव huge cut in their salaries. So you can see that when you don't have a open-minded approach, you are not able to think out of the situation. Okay? Then the second thing is constantly question. You need to constantly question. I've given one example here that when you see a small child, he constantly questions the things around him. So you also need, being a manager, being a person in an organization, you need to constantly think what solution can be there. How this situation COVID has come, what do my customers want, how the technology can help me out. So all these things can be questions, can help you to come to a solution. And lastly, the third one is comprehension, which means it requires you to see the problems from multiple perspective. तो आप सिर्फ एम्प्लॉय के या एम्प्लॉयर के एंगल से सोचोगे तो नहीं चलेगा. You have to think from the customer's angle, that what do the customers want. I will give you here one more example. Refer to your chat section. Here I'm writing something in your chat section. There is 2 more apps like which some people in some of these areas might have seen. Super Daily. Now this is one very common example which started, if I'm not wrong, this Super Daily is actually a brand which belongs to Uber, but then they have made this into a different segment. जैसे टाटास काफी अलग अलग segments में है, वैसे इनका एक division, if I'm not wrong, they are in Uber, and the next division is Super Daily, which is into daily consumables, daily goods, daily necessities, you can say. So this brand originally they started distributing with only milk, but now they have got bread, they have got vegetables, they have got grocery. So you can see that they are looking at the COVID situation, how this company responded very nicely. They have got very good offers. They will give things very much sorted, quality in nature, quality of every. You ask for any vegetable, you ask for paneer, you ask for your vegetables. So they are giving you everything in one app, one application. So what you can do, you can just, as a homework or as a part of your strategy checking, you can just download the app of Super Daily and check what all goods are there. I'm not asking you to order anything. I'm just asking you to check what all goods are there. And initially it was only milk. So it is a very good thing which Big Basket was already doing. So Super Daily has come as a competitor. Okay. So the word comprehension means you have to look from every angle. During COVID, this company has thought of every angle and has increased its basket of products which it wanted to order. Even if you can see in Zomato, you will find that nearby vegetable vendors have associated themselves with Zomato, and even you can order the things on Zomato. One more very good example which I have written here. Can anybody tell me what is the new app which has come for delivery of parcels within the city? Anybody? If you forget your file at your home, or if you forget your file at your hostel, what is that app which will facilitate you that file will come to you?
Donzo.
Yes, perfect. So one more example which has responded very well in times of COVID is Dunzo, right? So you can see that there are various people whose minds are running behind this strategic situation. They are making strategic thinking, and they have come out with their very innovative ways of fighting the COVID situation and making the money, still going ahead with the services. So this is all about strategic thinking. So I will not go into detail. You can read this steps ideation. You just need to make an idea. You need to make a strategic planning. Last time मैंने pest analysis और SWOT analysis के बारे में बताया था. You need to have an operational planning so that you can make your strategies. So with this, I believe strategic thinking is done. Even there is one more article which I have pasted in your link. Paste it once again in case if you want to have an additional reading, you can read it from there. So this is one article which tells you about strategic thinking and a very good reference. So if you want to note down, you can note down this also. Now, why do we need to have strategic thinking and all? Can somebody give me an answer that why do we need to have so much of hard work to be done? क्यों strategic thinking करना है? क्यों strategic planning करना है? What is the reason? Any idea? Anviksha? Srinivas? Any idea why do we need to do all this strategic planning and thinking?
Ma'am, because see, when you actually plan things up, no, rather it can be anything. When you plan and you actually strategize things now, things go in a proper way, or it actually follow the proper path and the flow, and things actually execute, and you actually achieve your goals and the plans which you have actually strategized.
Okay. Sukram?
That's the reason.
Sukram, can you answer? Strategic thinking क्यों करना चाहिए हमको? Why do we need to do that? Sukram, can you hear me?
It help to achieve our goals easily, और वो जो प्रॉब्लम आएंगे वो कम करने के reduces our problem and.
Very good. और क्या हो सकता है? Strategic planning क्यों करते हैं?
मतलब गोल अचीव करने के लिए करते हैं, वो एक है उसके साथ.
Okay, just go some time back when it was February 2020. Sampada, did you think कि COVID situation आने वाली है? Sampada Rahane, we have got only one Sampada today. Okay.
No, ma'am.
So अगर हमने ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि COVID situation आने वाली है, तो strategic planning COVID के situation में काम आएगा? आपको कोविड की सिचुएशन में कुछ न्यू स्ट्रेटेजीज बनानी पड़ेगी या ओल्ड स्ट्रेटेजी के साथ काम कर सकते हो?
न्यू स्ट्रेटेजी बनानी पड़ेगी।
ओके, आपको याद है हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम एक फ्रेमवर्क की बात की थी जिसका नाम मैंने बताया था, आपके चैट सेक्शन में देखो, आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन. देयर इज अ फ्रेमवर्क व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड, पेस्टल. So it is all in capital, P capital, E capital, S T E L. तो हमारे पास जब हम बिजनेस करते हैं, there are so many uncertainties. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाटाज ने जब बिजनेस करना चाहा था बंगाल में, तो काफी प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था. आप गूगल कर सकते हो, चेक कर सकते हो. तो टाटा नैनो की कार का प्लांट पहले कहीं और बनने वाला था, फिर बाद में वो कहाँ बना, सर्च करो, ठीक है, गूगल करो. तो पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशंस, पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियोज भी आपके बिजनेस को बिगाड़ सकते हैं. पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियोज की वजह से भी आपके बिजनेस पे इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. दूसरी बात, ई, पेस्टल में का सेकेंड वर्ड ई, पी हो गया पॉलिटिकल, ई स्टैंड्स फॉर इकोनॉमिकल. आपकी इकोनॉमी कोविड की वजह से डाउन हो जाएगी, किसको पता था? एक सिचुएशन आई, एक वायरस आया जहां पे आपकी सिचुएशन इकोनॉमी की डाउन हो गई. तो इकोनॉमिकल सिचुएशंस आल्सो मेक अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस टू योर डिसीजंस इन योर बिजनेस. सिमिलरली, इफ यू आर इनटू एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट, the currency market will make a lot of difference to your business. So the economy of not only your country but also of other country will make a lot of difference to your business. Agree? Agree? Yes or no? अमेरिका की इकोनॉमी इंडिया के एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट को फर्क पड़ेगा? इंडिया के फार्मर्स को फर्क पड़ेगा जो लोग एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं उनके गुड्स?
यस मैम।
यस. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज सोशियो कल्चरल. हमारा कल्चर अमेरिका के कल्चर से अलग है. तो हम लोगों को अगर इंडिया की कोई पर्टिकुलर रेस्टोरेंट खोलना है अमेरिका में, तो यू नीड टू चेक द सोशियो एंड कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स. उनकी सोसाइटी में लोग कैसे रहते हैं, कल्चर कैसा है. तो सोशियो कल्चरल फैक्टर्स. द नेक्स्ट इज टेक्नोलॉजी. टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल्सो मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. हम लोग कोविड की सिचुएशन में देख ही चुके हैं कि हम लोग कितनी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज हम लोगों ने इंक्रीज कर दिया. लाइक वी आर यूजिंग नाउअडेज टीम्स, we are using Zoom platform, we are using Facebook, we are using YouTube for making our students learn, because they are in different countries. As compared, you can compare your class of commerce, there are people from Afghanistan, there are people from Iran, different places. So technology is the only way out. So technology makes a lot of difference. The next is ecological. नाम सुना है ग्रेटा थनबर्ग? कौन है ग्रेटा थनबर्ग? एनीबडी नोस हु इज ग्रेटा थनबर्ग? एनीबडी नोस हु इज ग्रेटा थनबर्ग? ओके, योर सेकंड गूगल सर्च, ग्रेटा थनबर्ग सर्च करके देखना आपके गूगल में, एंड टेल मी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास on Thursday, right? Tomorrow you have got already 3 classes. So Thursday, so you will tell me who is Greta Thunberg. So now the crux of this Greta Thunberg, she is somewhere related to the environmental factors, ecology. Agar for example tomorrow you might have seen various cars जिस पे लिखा होता है BS4. इस BS4 का फुल फॉर्म किसी को पता है? What do you mean by BS4? क्विकली, कार्स कितने लोग चलाते हैं? उनको सबको पता होना चाहिए. Anviksha, I believe you are from Delhi University, if I'm not wrong, right? Anviksha, can you hear me? So, Anviksha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Yeah. So, do you know what is BS4? Because you're from
BS4.
Delhi. BS4.
Base.
Yes, Sampada, you were saying something right.
भारत स्टेज।
भारत
स्टेज।
और 4 का मतलब?
IV नहीं पता मैम, एक मिनट.
वो रोमन 4 है, वो IV नहीं है. Okay. The reason why I have told you this.
Ma'am, are you sharing any screen or what? Because I can't see the screen.
I'm not sharing any screen. I've written it on the conversation chat section. You can go to the chat section. I've written Bharat Standard 4. So you will see that many cars, they have to by default follow the standards. Now when you'll go to Europe, you will find Euro standards. Now why this is required is because, ध्यान से सुनो अभी, आप लोगों को शायद बहुत सारी चीजें गूगल करनी पड़ेगी आज. So you have to find who is Greta Thunberg, you have to find what is BS4, and now is BS5 applicable. You have to find it out. And why we are putting that BS5, BS4 tag on the cars. क्यों डालते हैं हम लोग BS5 का tag? One more thing, Volkswagen कंपनी का नाम सुना है?
Yes, ma'am.
Volkswagen recently has caught up in a very big scandal. किसी को पता है क्या scandal हुआ था? Anybody knows? Anybody who's a fan of cars? Anybody who is very updated with the cars? I don't see the craze in you for anybody who must be crazy in cars, who is very updated, who reads newspapers. Okay, search it out. At least you can Google. Volkswagen was caught in a very big scandal wherein they were found that they have tampered with the carbon emission meter, and they have been fined very heavily. काफी बड़ा brand name है, right? Volkswagen. You can never think that they would cheat us, but yes, they have been cheating people because they have put a faulty meter which will show a less carbon emission than what it was emitting. Okay, so इकोलॉजी, एनवायरमेंट भी काफी फर्क पड़ता है आपके बिजनेस पे. अगर इंडिया ने रूल बनाया कि भारत स्टैंडर्ड 4 के नीचे कोई कार रोड पे नहीं चलेगी, तो all our cars which are running on the road, even the PMT buses, will go to junkyard. Are you getting my point, everyone? Lakshmi, Sampada, Shashank, Sahil, Sukram, are you getting my point? Are you there with me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope nothing is going bounce, sir. मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं बता रही हूँ?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the thing is, ये जो पेस्टल फ्रेमवर्क के 6 letters हैं, PESTEL. P means political, E means economical, S means socio-cultural, T means technology, E means ecology, environment, and L means legal. हर कंपनी के, हर देश के, हर कंट्री के, हर पर्टिकुलर कॉन्टिनेंट के एक अलग रूल्स होंगे बिजनेस के. जैसे आपके अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स भी अलग होते हैं. इंडिया का अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड अमेरिका के अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड से मैच नहीं करता. बीइंग कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अ कॉमर्स एग्जांपल फॉर यू. इंडिया के कॉमर्स रूल्स अमेरिका के कॉमर्स रूल्स के साथ मैच नहीं करते. इसीलिए लीगल इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. जहां भी जाओगे, जो भी बिजनेस केस स्टडी सॉल्व करोगे, कल को आपको शायद कंपनीज में देयर इज अ न्यू ट्रेंड that whenever you go to a company, they don't ask you for an interview, rather they ask you to solve a case study. So pestle framework is a very important tool to solve a case study, जो even बड़े बड़े मार्केट रिसर्च कंपनीज भी यूज करते हैं आजकल. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड द पॉइंट पेस्टल फ्रेमवर्क. तो हम लोगों ने जो पॉइंट डिस्कस किया कि स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग क्यों होना चाहिए, और स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग के लिए एनवायरमेंट ये इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर क्यों है. ओके, सो लास्ट 2-3 slides which I want to mention here, please pay attention. Yeah, so the reason why we make strategic thinking, even in our lives, you will find that you plan for your future. Can you see the slide, everyone? Oh, I made it from the beginning. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
so this means don't let the future surprise you. Yeah. Can you see, everyone? I hope there's no issue in the slide. So the reason why we do strategic thinking, the reason why we do strategic planning is in the first line of this slide, that don't let the future surprise you. So most of the times the companies prepare for the worst scenarios. They always have a backup plan. No one can predict tomorrow, even not Anviksha, not Sahil, not Dr. Amrita, not anybody in this world can predict the future. Right? When COVID was there, none of the astrologers came forward to say कि COVID कब जाएगा. Right? I have nothing against the astrologers. But then the thing is, when you talk about a strategy, it is very important that you plan the strategy so that whenever there is a situation in terms of any of the factor of the pestle framework, whether it is political scenario आ जाए, economical आ जाए, socio cultural scenario से problem हो जाए, टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, इकोलॉजी की वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, या लीगल सिनेरियोस चेंज हो जाए, तो you and your members of your team should stretch your thinking about what opportunities and threat might emerge and how might you impact your organization and what can you do about them. You can learn to enact truly, meaningfully change rather than make an incremental improvement, and that all begins with a strategic thinking. And these are not my words, these are the words from an author who's writing at Harvard Business School, and they have mentioned strategic thinking because good ideas can come from anywhere. This is the article. Okay, so this is one thing. There are two more important aspects which is in our unit number 1, which is culture awareness, culture building, and assessing your organization's culture. So when you talk about culture awareness, it means being sensitive to the similarities and difference that exist between two cultures and use of this sensitivity in effective communication with members of another cultural group. Now, why we are saying this? Any idea? Why do we need to have a culture awareness? Can anybody give me a reason? Why do we need to have culture awareness? Is it necessary to have a cultural awareness? Sahil works in a company, so can Sahil answer this, please? Why do we need to have a cultural awareness, Sahil?
Ma'am, otherwise people will start protesting.
Yes, because people will start protesting. What is the major reason why we need to have a cultural awareness?
If we hurt their sentiments in any way by doing something which they don't like.
Yeah, that could be one of the things. The major reason is because people come from different cultures. Now you will say, now all the people in my class are not from the same culture. They're from different cultures. They're from different belief systems. Similarly, when you talk about a multinational company, because gone are the days wherein the people in an Indian company or an Indian multinational would be only Indian. There would be people from multiple ethnicities. People from America would be there. People from South Africa could be there. People from Iran could be there. Anywhere the people could be there, right? So you need to make a cultural awareness. You need to be sensitive to the culture. That is why this point is included in our syllabus. So cultural awareness is sensitive to the similarities and the difference in the two cultures. No cultures are same. There is a difference in the culture and we need to be sensitive when we talk to people from different cultural group, right? Coming to culture building. Now, many of the companies talk about building a culture. Now, what do you mean by building a culture? Let's check this out. So you need to establish a culture, build a better network. Just a second. Build a better network. You need to have clear policies. You need to be fair and you need to welcome difference. So these are the 5 broad areas in which there is one article which has been given. I have to reshare the slide, I believe. 1 second. Yeah. So how do you build a proper culture? What do you mean by a company culture? It means a company culture is an integral part of the business. It affects nearly every aspect of the company, from recruiting the top talent to improving the employee satisfaction. आपने देखा होगा कि मैकडॉनल्ड्स में कई बार बेस्ट पर्सन, बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय का टैग लगा होता है. डोमिनोज में बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द वीक होता है, बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ होता है. So these small things are a part of the company's culture कि आप अपने कंपनी के बेस्ट पर्सन्स को कैसे रिवॉर्ड करते हो, या आपके कंपनी में कोई काम नहीं करता है तो आप उसको कैसे I will not call the word punish, but then how do you make that person aware that you are not working properly? So according to a research by Deloitte, 90% of the executives and 88% of employees believe that a distinct corporate culture is very important to business success. तो आपकी कंपनी में हम लोगों ने एक ट्रायंगल देखा था, देखो यहाँ पे, तो ये जो टॉप पर्सन बैठा है, जो कंपनी का ओनर है, सीईओ है, जनरल मैनेजर है, these are the people who are responsible for making the culture of a company. Similarly, I hope Sahil would agree with me that in his company there would be a different kind of a culture which makes his company very unique than the other companies, because his top management would be thinking very different than the other companies in the same domain. Right, Sahil? Is that correct what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can say that this is the very reason. So you many a times when you people will start working in companies, even some people would join government offices because they want to give their MPSC and UPSC exams. So probably I would see you in somewhere in an IS position, IPS position, or whatever you are employed in the perfect position. So you would always see that this is the reason, or these are the particular culture makes a very remarkable difference. So how does this culture make a difference? Recruitment of people is one of the aspect how the culture can be done. Employee loyalty can be affected by the culture. If your culture is very good, wherein a person with good, I can say, performance, like if Anviksha is performing very nice, if Shashank is performing very nicely, if Jyoti is performing very nicely, so what is the yardstick, what is the measurement, how I am going to reward Sukram for his good performance? For example, when you have submitted your assignments on time, I have given everybody the marks on time, and those who have not submitted, I have made it a point that I will not accept their assignments again. So this is also a part of the culture which can happen in an organization, that those who come on time, or those who are very punctual, or those who are giving their assignments on time could be rewarded. Or there could be a culture where there is no difference between the people who are giving their assignments on time, and there is a no difference with the people who are not giving their assignments on time. Similar things can happen in your organizations also, that there are some people who are very diligent in their work, there are some people who are very hardworking. So you will, if the company rewards them, if the company will see कि संपदा ने कितना काम किया है, संपदा के there is a system called as 360 degree feedback. संपदा जो भी सप्लायर से बात करती है, या जो भी उसके कांटेक्ट में थर्ड पार्टी आती है, उनसे फीडबैक लिया जाएगा कि संपदा कैसे काम करती है. संपदा के इमीडिएट बॉस, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ पर्सन Mr. X, so Mr. X will give a feedback about Sampada, that how she works. Then there are colleagues of Sampada who work at the same level of Sampada. They can also give a feedback. So these all things come into the company culture. You might have heard that people who have started working in Tatas, it was earlier a practice that they start their life with Tatas and they end their service with Tatas. मतलब जब स्टार्ट किया तो 30 साल 35 साल टाटा कंपनी में ही काम कर रहे हैं. देखा ऐसा एग्जाम्पल काफी लोगों ने आपने देखा है टाटा कंपनीज का एग्जाम्पल, दैट देयर आर मेनी पीपल who actually join with one company and retire with one company. So thankfully one of the reason could be the culture of the company, wherein the people do not want to move from the company. They are so much cared, there's so much of employee satisfaction there that they don't want to work, they don't want to leave. They have been properly rewarded for their work performances, they have been properly supported whenever they needed help in their skills. जब उनको अपने skills को improve करना था तब भी company ने उनको help किया, right? Even in times of COVID, you will not find any Tata company employee being removed. They have been paid their salaries on time, right? So just one example, there could be many examples like Tata, so who have been rewarded, who had been working because of the company culture. It also makes an effect on the employee morale. Employee morale means, anybody who can tell me what is a morale, employee morale? Okay, what I'll do?
To motivate them to work harder.
Yes, it is actually the thing to motivate them to work harder. So, for example, if let's take an example of Chetan. If Chetan works very hard, and if I do not reward him with a better salary when it comes for an employee performance, so it would degrade his morale. उसका morale down हो जाएगा. And when at the same time, if he sees that he has been properly rewarded, and whenever there was a gap in the skills wherein he has to be promoted, the company has supported him with the training, so this helps him to boost his morale. मतलब उसका morale improve हो जाएगा. और इसी तरीके से कंपनी का कल्चर, कंपनी के साथ बॉन्डिंग बनेगा. तो चेतन एज एन एम्प्लॉय would give his best whenever there is a the company is in problem, or whenever there is a problem like COVID, he will not leave the company and run for a better package. The reason why, we are an emotional person, we are a social animal. So when the company cared about us, most of the employees give that in return, that yes, this is my time, so I should help the company move out of this COVID times. So this is a short thing, what short story, or this is a short example what I can give you about culture. There is always, the company's positive culture will always reduce the work stress. Now I will give an example of a company that for example, there are 11 employees in my company. Okay, so you all are the employees of my company, and the moment Shashank enters, I tell him, Shashank, punch on the biometric first. तो I have seen कि शशांक 11:01 पे आया. तो what I'll do? I'll say, Shashank, next time if you even become late by 1 minute, your half day salary is gone. Okay. Second, what Lakshmi does, I have given her a sheet and said, Lakshmi, आपने दिन में पूरे दिन, every hour what you have done, I need a chart, and you have to enter that in the system. So again, these all things are creating a pressure. And if I give you a very contrasting example, that if Sampada has worked very hard, she is allowed to take a half an hour power nap, and which is actually a reality. I'm not giving you an exaggerated example. There are companies in Japan who highly care about their employees, and they are allowed to take a power nap, and it is very much taken in positive sense. देखा है इंडियन कंपनीज में पावर नैप अलाउड है? रोशन, कुणाल, शशांक, साहिल, पावर नैप अलाउड है?
यस मैम.
आपकी कंपनी में अलाउड है साहिल?
नहीं मैम, but I wish.
Okay, so this is one thing what I wanted to tell you is कि कंपनी का कल्चर आपके एम्प्लॉय के मोरल को, आपके स्ट्रेस को, आप किस तरीके से काम करते हो. जो भी क्रिएटिव कंपनीज होती है ना, आप गूगल का वेबसाइट ओपन करके put on the Google's office, and you will find that the employees are really free to work anywhere until and unless they need a computer. They can sit anywhere, they can think of creative ideas, because that is how a creativity works. I cannot say to Lakshmi or Anviksha कि sit in a room और इस room में आपकी creativity ideas आने चाहिए. So have you seen a poet? His creative ideas comes when he is free in his mind, and he mostly goes to natural places, in a park, maybe at a natural beauty scenery, then his creative ideas come. So most of the companies where creative ideas are required, like Google, so they give the employees the freedom to think creatively in an open environment. So this is called as a culture of an company. समझ में आया culture का meaning? कल्चर का मीनिंग समझा? श्रीनिवास, ज्योति, have you understood the meaning of culture of a company?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Lakshmi, any doubt? Kunal, Anviksha, रोशन,
No.
कोई डाउट है किसी को? Okay, I hope the topic is pretty clear. And what I'm going to do, I'm pasting this particular thing in your chat section. Kindly read and start making your notes. I'm reminding you time and again, because you have got 4 units. It would be very difficult for you to make your notes at the last minute. So kindly start making your notes so that it would be easier for you